What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the brand new operating system from Android, and this is Android 13. And it is packed with a lot of new features, and it's really good. Now we're gonna just have a look at it and see what's packed throughout this kind of Android 13 and see the features, because this kind of Android 13 actually it's working right now with only Google Pixel devices, and later on we're gonna see what devices will they be getting throughout the Android 13. So it's really kind of nice and amazing. Let us just get started on the video of today. So yeah, so guys, we're gonna get started throughout the Material U. Now, as some of you guys know, Google announced Material U throughout the Android 13, which has more enhancement throughout the Android 13 features. Now, what's overall some great and amazing kind of feature? Well, let's go to the wallpaper side, and you can scroll down. You can see wallpaper colors, and you can just differentiate different type of colors you'd like throughout your whole kind of phone. Let me say I'm dropping down the status bar, and as you can see right now, everything has changed depending on the color palette I've selected. Now, these are like the mixed throughout colors, like it has like 3 types of colors, which is really cool. Another kind of stuff, you can scroll again to see another different type variety of colors. You just tap in, you scroll down, you can see it has changed already, which is really great. Another kind of stuff which is so great, you can see themed icons better. Now you can tap on here and everything will be changing throughout the icon side, and it will just enhance throughout that kind of theme, which is the color side. Now check this out. Let me just say I'm changing this type of color. It will just affect the icons too, and everything throughout the setting side, and even the text colors, which is really a great thing, which I kind of love it. It's a really nice thing. We didn't have these kind of features, let's be honest. It's a brand new feature, which is really cool. Another kind of stuff, it's all about the app grid. Now the app grid has really been optimized throughout the layout type you want to, and it's really cool. Let's talk about the new updated media player. Now the new updated media player has a new redesign throughout the media player, which is really dope. Now as you can see here throughout the notification side, the drop down, there is a new layout, and you can see how much it grooves, and this is Spotify, and I can adjust the way I want to, and it will just go back to the wavy, and it's really dope. And it's a little bit bigger, and the card of it's rounded, which I kind of like it. You know, Material U, the way they keep it Google, it's really epic throughout the UI. And another kind of stuff throughout here, you can just change anything you want. Let me say I'm just keeping this side, and I'm slipping my phone and waking it up. You can see everything is at glance right now throughout the lock screen, which I give it go, and it's really dope. So just like that, guys, you can see how much your phone it is throughout the media player. So for the people who like a new redesign throughout the media player, well, the Android 13 got you covered, and it's really dope. So yeah, our secondly feature throughout the Android 13, it's the app language. Now I understand there are a lot of people speaking different or variety of languages, and sometimes interacting with the different apps through that kind of languages. I think it's really kind of cool. Now we're gonna just see that kind of app language, whereby you can select a certain app and give it a certain language, which is cool. Just go all the way to the settings side and just say app languages, just like that, and just go here to the app languages, and you can see these are the only apps supported throughout the app languages. Let me say I want to change throughout the Chrome, so I can change it to Espanol. So just like that, guys, you have applied a different variety of languages depending on that kind of app. Just know that this kind of feature is still under development, is not actually 100% fully because of other apps. You can see here, you can search what type of app you want. Like let me say WhatsApp, it's not there yet, so it's like coming up throughout the next updates, which we're gonna get throughout the Android 13 or the app inside the Play Store. So yeah, our third feature is called the digital well-being. Now as some of you guys know, sometimes using a phone so much, tracking down, it's a little bit like a problem, but throughout the Pixel, well, there's something called digital well-being. As some of you guys who are new to it, well, today just go to the settings side, and you can see somewhere here down something called digital well-being, and just tap on it and it can show you how much usage you have used throughout the phone, which is really good to catch up throughout that and understand how much you're using the phone, especially like when it comes to apps, which is your most kind of usage apps. As you can see me on this side, Instagram has been today my kind of using the app so frequently. Another kind of great and amazing feature inside the digital well-being is the bedtime mode. Now the bedtime mode, it's really kind of cool because you can just allow only calls from the stead contacts, repeat callers, and alarms can reach you. Now another kind of stuff, it will just like do not disturb, other kind of stuff features, especially like the phone calls you're getting and stuff like that, which is really great. And you can just allow it and you can set your schedule. What time are you sleeping? Let me say it's that time, and I can allow it, and I can even turn it now and it will just dim on my screen, so as even if I wake up at night, I'll be able just to use my phone really great. And this is a dope kind of feature which I like to, not like the way we're used to night mode, but this one I find it, yeah, it's a really nice one. So yeah, have you ever had the sensitive data like your passwords, you know, and sometimes you're copying them throughout your clipboard and you're like, will they stay longer? Well, right now in Android 13, well, Google will just erase, or the Android 13 will just erase the whole history of your password and any kind of sensitive data, which is really cool. And I think that kind of feature is a really nice one, especially like you copy a certain thing throughout your phone. Let me say like this kind of text, which I've copied it and pasted it here, so it will stay for a certain longer. Let me say it's a sensitive data, then it will stay for certain longer on the clipboard, and later on it will just be gone, which is a really nice feature. And I think, yeah, it's a kudos one. So yeah, let's talk about the notification. Now we have been getting a lot of notifications sometimes throughout our phones, and the way they're arranged a little bit, it's kind of annoying. But with Android 13, well, it's a great thing. You get every notification at glance and everything will be arranged perfectly, so as you can see things. And not only that, throughout your apps, you can go directly throughout the notification side and allow each kind of settings which you want to. Let me say I don't want anything from the message from web, well, I can disable that. And another kind of stuff, I don't want to get any notification while I'm using the web, which it's really cool. Now you can control this kind of notification throughout your app side, and it's really impressive, to be honest. And I kind of give it kudos, because sometimes you're getting a lot of notification from not wanting that kind of permission, but the permission is already there. But having a control throughout that, it's a really dope move. So yeah, our last but not least feature, well, this kind of feature, it's a really good one. I find it's really impressive. Whenever you're dropping down throughout your notification, you can see somewhere here it's saying app is active. Just tap on it, it will show you which app is active. Now, how do you want to see which app is active? Let me say I'm turning it on the Java. This is called the caffeine app, which is making your phone to not sleep. Now when I tap on here, you can see caffeine is on, which means this kind of stuff, it can help you throughout monitoring which app is active throughout the background. Now you can just disable that and stop it, and it will just stop it there at the glance. When you tap on this side, you can see everything is cool. If I tap on the system UI, well, this kind of system UI won't be closed because that's your Android 13, which is running at the background, which is really impressive. But throughout here, any kind of stuff, you launch it not only throughout this side, but throughout even in-app inside. Let me say there's an application which is running at the background, well, it's gonna be stopped straight away. It's like having a task manager and you end a task, which is really dope. So guys, it's a really kind of epic side to see the Android 13, and it's a really good one. I can say the overhaul throughout the operating system, it has been improved from the Android 12 to Android 13. Google decided to keep things steady and keep things heads up throughout the phone, and we didn't cover throughout the laptop and the tablet side, because the Android 13 utilizes this kind of both devices. Like your tablet you can copy files from this side to this side. The nearby has been improved from sending your files to other Android devices, and not only Android devices, throughout your laptops, throughout your phones, throughout your tablets, you name it. It's really good. So thank you guys for watching. Up to the next one, it's your boy here, Abdurrahim13. I hope you saw those kind of features of Android. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite feature. We have been throughout the first Android, I can call it the version of Android up to now we're in 13. It's been a great and amazing kind of journey, and it's really cool. So that's what's up, guys. Up to the next one. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. So as always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.